Number 1. Simple present tense. The simple present tense is a verb tense with two main use. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now, or when it happens regularly, or unceasingly, which is why it's sometimes called present indefinite. Depending on the person, the simple present tense is a form by using the root form or by adding s or es to the end. Formula of simple present tense. Positive form is subject plus verb 1, s or es, plus object plus complement. The example, Agung goes to work every day. Negative form, subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object plus complement. Agung doesn't go to work every day. Question form, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus complement plus question mark. Does Agung go to work every day? Adverb of time. The simple present tense is commonly used with the adverbs always, usually, seldom, never, sometimes, often, frequently, generally, habitually, occasionally, once, twice. Number 2. Simple past tense. The simple past is a verb tense which is used to show that a complete action took place at specific time in the past. Formula of simple past tense. Positive form, subject plus verb 2 plus object plus complement. Agung screamed at the officer. Negative form, subject plus did plus not plus verb 1 plus object plus complement. Agung did not scream at the officer. Question form, did or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus complement plus question mark. Did Agung scream at the officer? Adverb of time. The simple past tense is commonly used with time expression referring to the past. Example are yesterday, last year, ago, in 2006. The adverbs never, always, seldom, often, frequently, occasionally, once, twice. Present perfect tense. Present perfect is a verb tense used to express action that occur at a non-specific time. The present perfect is also used to express action that start in the past but continue to the present. Formula of present perfect tense. Positive form, subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus object plus complement. Agung has lived in London for 2 years. Negative form, subject plus have or has plus not plus verb 3 plus object plus complement. Agung has not lived in London for 2 years. Question form, have or has plus subject plus verb 3 plus object plus complement plus question mark. Has Agung lived in London for 2 years? Adverb of time. The present perfect tense is commonly used with the indefinite time adverb or time expression, just, never, ever, since, for, before, yet, already. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is a verb tense which is used to show that an ongoing action is happening now, either at the moment of speech or now in large sense. The present continuous tense can also be used to show that action is going to take place in the near future. Read on for detailed description, example, and present continuous exercise. Formula of present continuous tense. Positive form, subject plus to be is mr plus verb ing plus object plus complement. Agung is eating pie at the park. Negative form, subject plus to be plus is mr plus not plus verb ing plus object complement. Agung is not eating pie at the park. Question form, to be is mr plus subject plus verb ing plus object plus complement plus question mark. Is Agung pie at the park? Number 5. Simple future tense is a verb tense that's used to talk about things that haven't happened yet. Use the simple future to talk about an action or condition that will begin and the end in the future. Formula of simple future tense. Positive form, subject plus shall or will plus verb 1 plus object plus complement. Agung will go swimming tomorrow. Negative form, subject plus shall or will plus not plus verb 1 plus object plus complement. Agung will not go swimming tomorrow. Question form, shall or will plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus complement plus question mark. Will Agung go swimming tomorrow? Adverb of time is tomorrow, later, next week or month or year, soon, in the morning or afternoon or evening.